I'm hooked on these BTARTBOX soft gel nails. Here's what you need to do to get them to last 2 to 3 weeks. Lightly buff to make sure the glue residue is gone from previous set, and applying my Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and using a tool to get rid of the nasties. I like to lightly file to ensure that my nails have a lasting hold and dehydrate my nails with alcohol. If you don't do your nail prep, they won't last. I use this BTARTBOX 28-day long-lasting solid gel glue, and it does cure. I'm applying medium brown coffin today, so let's choose my sizes. Now it is time to apply glue to the nail. It is thick, but you don't need a whole lot. I apply it to my nail and flash cure it for 20 seconds. After they're all on, I cure for 60 seconds under my full lamp. Then I just file or clip the knobs off the ends. Time for a builder gel and top coat. These came in a set with a flash lamp. First, apply builder gel and cure, remove the sticky layer with alcohol pad, then apply top coat and cure that. Take a little acetone polish remover and lightly place it around the nail bed for a clean manicured finish. Apply a little bit of cuticle oil, and I hope this helps y'all. But ain't this super cute?